rum, whiskey, or
All
whatever
right,
you
I
want.
got it. I'm
Oh, we
back.
got us back. Yes. The God heard us. We know there's a storm going on, and we're talking to the audience about it. But thank you, man. Thank you for actually getting back with us. Now, one thing that I wanted to go ahead and ask you is, I know that, I mean, unlike a lot of us, I mean, I was a knucklehead when I was in my 20s. I was chasing skirts. I mean, I was doing different things. You decided to become a multi-millionaire by age 31, and you made it. It's a
Right.
dream that a lot of us have chased, and it took us to 40s, 50s, even 60 to actually get to. You were definitely, and I don't think, because becoming a multi-millionaire, becoming wealthy in the United States or in the world, it takes determination, it takes self-discipline, it takes a mentality that not everybody is willing to give up certain things. So that took you to who you are right now, who you became back then. If there was one thing that you could go back and change, what would that one thing be?
I would probably take more risks. Um,
Okay.
I was offered some amazing opportunities that I didn't go into, and if I would have, I would have been, yeah, I would have had more multiple streams of income. But I would have taken more risks
More
because
risk.
I got to the point where I had so much success that I'm like, I'm good. But I got a lot of opportunities I won't bring up, but they were like, they're monsters right now. I mean, you hear
Really?
like Gary Vee talk about that. Gary Vee was
Yeah.
offered a piece of Square and he turned it down. And he's been offered pieces of different companies, like 50 grand. And I mean, I was offered a company for $1,000 a franchise. That's the biggest pizza franchise in the country now. For $1,000 a
Wow.
franchise, the guy was broke, and I didn't buy it.
I think that my next invention should be a time machine.
Right?
Take me back. Let's go.
I'm gonna go back to you. I'm gonna go back to Gary Vee. Let's go, half and half.